Using DAZN gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy sports streaming services. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start watching. Step 1. Visit the DAZN website. Go to the official DAZN website or open the DAZN app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Log in or create an account. If you already have a DAZN account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts to enter your information. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card section. Once logged in, look for the option to redeem a gift card. This is usually found in your account settings or billing section. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code found on your gift card. Make sure to input it exactly as it appears, without any spaces or errors. Step 5. Confirm and start watching. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. Your account balance will be updated, and you can now start enjoying DAZN content. Now you're ready to enjoy your favorite sports on DAZN.